Hey guys, y'all see that 243,000 miles? Let me turn it off because I don't want it to get hot. Well, it came in from Cousin Pookie's shop. That's right, you guessed it. They misdiagnosed the hell out of this car. Now here's the deal, guys. Y'all see this 3.6 Pentastar? They had a cam sensor code. Let me see if I can pull this up. All right, cam sensor code, you know the drill. Just about everybody do this. They simply replace the cam sensor. But I told y'all, these cam sensors on these Pentastar, what is it? P0394, Bank 2 camshaft position sensor. Yeah, when you see camshaft position sensor, you automatically assume you need a cam sensor. This is Bank 2. So they replaced this cam sensor. But they did them both. You're going to do one, you might as well do both. Look, they put a motor mounts on her car, and they even replaced the cooler. However, they neglect to address the problem. All right. Well, with those two sensors, they thought they addressed the problem. The fact is, it didn't. Checking light came on as soon as she got back home. So here's what we're going to do. All right. Y'all see this part right here? This is a cam phaser, ladies and gentlemen. This has control. Look, they even put a thermostat on it. This has control of the timing. Okay. I told y'all over 100,000 miles. Now this truck has 240. Over 100,000 miles, you need to replace these, whether they're acting up or not. These are right here. I have 4 right here in this box. Now, I was going to sell her just the one that she needed, but due to the mileage, she said do them all. So I have 4. It's 2 intake and 2 exhaust. Okay, like I say, they have control of the timing. And now here's why that code's set. Okay, this is attached to the camshaft. All right, so the spring mechanism inside of here, they just come apart, get loose. It's age, guys. The part is war to freak out. So it's not holding the timing firm like it should if this was new. Okay, so timing is either advancing, allowing the timing to be advanced or either retarded. Either way, it's going to throw cam sensor codes because the cam sensor is monitoring the camshaft via the tone wheel on the camshaft. Okay, there's no code for cam phaser malfunctioning. You know how y'all always want to bail out cam phaser's bad. There's no such code as cam phaser's bad. You have to put your mechanic gear on and figure out if this giving you problems. Now there's a test you can do, a physical test to test these. Okay, when I get the valve cover off, I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. But for now, let me start taking stuff off. I'm gonna do all. Yeah, okay, yeah, they wasted a lot of her money. Oh my goodness, they didn't even address. Look at all this new stuff. All right, yeah, cam sensor codes doesn't always mean cam sensors, guys. All right, I gotta go.